Hi, Tim Roberts, Application Engineer with Go Engineer. This quick tip video, we're going to discuss part of what's new for Flow Simulation 2014. Now, we've had a tool called the leak detection tool for a while, and in 2014 this tool has moved to the bottom of the screen. For example, here we have an internal flow project. I've got a couple of lids. We've got the pink lid is going to be an inlet, the light blue lid will be an outlet. But we have an opening here somewhere, and this is just very simple geometry to illustrate how the leak detection tool works. So the first thing you'll notice is in the lower right corner we get this non-watertight model. Now, as you probably know, an internal flow project has to be closed with lids, so all openings have to have a lid, a solid body that closes it, so that flow can calculate the fluid volume. Okay, and then so we can click this and get the choice to automatically create lids. I'm going to say no to that for now, and instead let's do a flow simulation, tools, check geometry. This is what I recommend you do on every single project you have. Now we could go straight to leak tracking. I'm going to take you to check geometry first, just because I'm going to advise everybody do this. And on an internal project, when we run a check, we should see down here at the bottom a non-zero fluid volume. Now you can see that we've got this message as it says it's failed, and that's because there is an opening somewhere. Now we're not sure where this opening is yet, and it's actually down here, but let me illustrate how this leak detection works. So we go to this guy, which is open leak tracking. Okay, and we need to specify first a start face and then an end face, and ideally in an assembly these are going to be on the same component. And the start face and the end face, one needs to be an external face, one needs to be an internal face. So I'll do my select other here and get the inside face on this side. Okay, and now I'm going to say find connection. Okay, so what's going on here, you can see this red line is it's trying to trace a path between the start face and the end face, and if there's an opening somewhere, the red line is going to cross that opening at some point. So what you do is you kind of highlight these faces, and it will show you areas the red line is crossing, and eventually if there is an opening you're going to see something like this. Okay, and then that may hopefully become apparent. If you only have one of these, we would simply create a lid and away we go. Now in complex geometry you may have several of these, right? So this is a leak detection tool. It's a useful tool. It's a little more of an algorithm on finding these problem openings that you may not know that are there. So my name's Tim Roberts. Thanks for watching this quick tip video. Have a good day.